Hi everyone, I'll show you how to remove and install SIM card on your LG Phoenix 3. So you'll need to remove from this side, as you can see right here. You just pull it off the back cover, remove the back cover, and then you'll need to remove the battery. Once you remove the battery, here's your SIM card and memory card. The memory card is on top. It's really easy, it shows which way it's supposed to be, and if you hold it, and then here's your SIM card, you just pull it out. Use maybe something so you can pull it out. It doesn't come out so easily. I'll use this thing just to press on it, and it comes out not so easily. And then if you want to put it back in, you just stick it back in same way, and then your memory card goes on top. Pretty easy. And then install your battery, and then back cover goes in. That's how easy it is. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.